Part 2. The Hunter. Our ancestors in Africa started hunting bigger game by essentially getting together in a group and running a prey to death, as we can sweat and release heat, while most other animals can't, and in the hot African sun, this allowed them to take down prey with short spears or even blade rocks, just because the animal was dying of heat stroke. Certain tribes in Africa will do this to this very day. It was the beginning of a long process to make better and better weapons, from longer spears to atlatls, also called throwing darts, to finally the bow and arrow. The skeletal remains dug up during this time show a longer lifespan if you survive childhood, taller stature, better teeth, and stronger bones. The nutrient variety was incredibly diverse, so health was pretty decent, and with lowered population, people appear to be less violent, as we haven't ever found mass graves indicating a tribal slaughter from this period, though fighting and skirmishes did occur. Trade networks between the tribes were also common, trading art, jewelry, preserved and rare food to the area, and better types of rocks for making tools. One area could have had a good supply of near-surface chert, of which flint is a variety, and they could trade out to people all over for other things they wanted. This was probably the healthiest and least violent time in human history, so why leave it? It was near perfect, and what we evolved to be best at. Well, we really don't know. Somehow the calorie math changed us from hunter-gatherers to agriculture. Agriculture had a slow rise, and in many cases, depending on the landscape, hunter-gathering took a lot less effort. One of the first things we did domesticate, however, that changed food forever, even for hunter-gatherers, was the dog.